Welcome to the Model 800 fan pack video. Today we're going to be going over the new design of the fan pack and its application. Fan pack is a great option for homes where you can't get to the ductwork to put a steam dispersion tube inside of the ductwork, like in attics or in crawl spaces. Or it's also great for homes without ductwork, radiant floor homes, boiler heat, mini splits, any place where you just can't get to the ductwork. Okay, so take a look at the fan pack. We'll take a look here. You see there's a hole here where the steam hose goes up through and connects, and where the electrical wires go through. The electrical wires go over here and connect onto this block. It's just 24 volts to power this fan inside of here. The fan actually gets powered from the steam humidifier itself. We give you a little adapter to go in there to tap into the transformer power inside of the steam humidifier to get the 24 volts needed to power the fan pack. Makes it very simple. The steam block is separate here, as you can see. And to attach that, we'll take the hose. The hose goes up through there to the cabinet. Use a hose clamp and insert the steam block. Pull it down through, and there are two screws sticking through there, and there are nuts provided to attach the steam block to the cabinet. Now the steam hose itself now can connect to the steam humidifier. One example of an application would be if this was on the first floor of a home and the steam humidifier was mounted in the basement. The steam hose that comes with the fan pack and steam humidifier is only 6 feet long, so you'd have to extend that. You would extend that using copper or any hard pipe and insulate that. Another option would be if the fan pack was mounted in the wall and we wanted to have the steam hose come out of the back of the wall. Maybe run out of the back of the wall and go down to a basement, or just go out the back of the wall and have the steam humidifier like in a closet behind it. We give you a little 45-degree angle piece here to attach to do so. You would cut this and make a short piece, connect the hose to it, and then connect the rest of the hose here, and it just angles it and gets it outside the wall.